Accessory. We are back with another upgrade for the Ender 3 Pro, and it's going to be the aluminum twist knobs for the bottom of the bed, and then also these springs, which are upgraded. Yeah, they call these upgraded die springs. So we're going to put these on as well as these twist leveling nuts. First off, you're going to take off the current knob that is on. Next, we're going to lift up the bed and replace the springs. Well, first off, you're going to raise your extruder, that's for damn sure. Hold the plate. Probably have a couple springs just sticking out. This last one is underneath. As you can maybe see, it takes a little bit to get it off. Now you're going to take the new springs and you're going to throw them, at least throw this one on, because it's underneath. So a quick note, I put them on the wrong way. You're going to want to put them on with the side that has the divot, not the side. Now once we've turned our knobs on, we will want to run a bed level. There are a number of different STLs that you can use. I'll put a link in the description below to the one that I use. Find it to work wonderfully, and it has never gone me astray. It's always led me on the right path. Thanks for checking out this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I am an amateur at all this. I don't know anything about what I'm doing really. I'm documenting it as I go along. So upgraded glass bed, honestly it really makes the bottom of the prints smooth, so I really like that, especially with the ironing setting that you can utilize within Cura. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. As a final note, I honestly did not think it was going to have to tighten that much, but you have to tighten these much more than the old ones, which are right here, so make sure you do that. It's important. Don't miss out. It is something you need to do. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care and thank you.